All right, welcome. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. By way of background, every year Christy and I, we started it last year, so this is our second year, our second annual, as she said. Little grandsons, Christmas.
And granddaughters.
And granddaughters.
Yes, we have more than
grandchildren.
There we go.
Grandkids.
Grandkids is good.
Christmas celebration that we started, as she said, the tradition last year, and so this year we're going to do it again. Last year we had a sort of a beanbag toss thing that we made out of some old cardboard boxes, and the kids really loved it. So at Black Friday time, Christy said, "Hey, can you see if you can find a beanbag toss?" Which I guess now is no longer called a beanbag toss, it's now called cornhole. So I went looking for Black Friday deals, found a couple. We found some on Amazon that are made out of fabric from Go Sports, and we got the warehouse deal that if you're familiar with Amazon warehouse deals, they're kind of an interesting thing. Usually there's some discount, sometimes a little bit, sometimes a lot. In this case, it was about a fourth of the price of what a new one was, and it said that the box was damaged, that there were marks on the object, and it was rated as being in fair condition. We took a flyer on it, figured, you know, Christy sews well. Worst case scenario, it would come with the PVC pipe and stuff, and she could sew new material. We do not have the unboxing video because what arrived was more packing tape than box.
It took a while to get through it.
It took
to get
Christy
it out.
the better part of an afternoon and scissors to get this out of what Amazon sent. But there's not a mark on the package.
It's great. It's in great condition.
So the grandchildren will be here tomorrow, and I have been tasked with trying to get this set up in advance. Nice smooth zipper. Okay, they fit a little bit tight in the bag, at least the first one.
Not direction lovers around here.
Actually, we will read them if we need them, but on something like this, I'm hoping
It's a puzzle, so you'll do good.
it shouldn't be that difficult.
No, but it's color coded, so we shouldn't be able to do too much damage.
Some rubber bands.
You got to stick it through first. Well, I can see that there's a slot for it.
Thought it was going together a little bit too easy.
My voice in your head. You got to stick it through the slot.
I almost did it again. That's a little tight.
Well, don't you want it somewhat snug?
Yeah.
A little short one? Oh.
I'm gonna guess. Do that.
Okay, one.
That's a one.
So how long do you think it'll be before they try and slide down it?
It's going to be up to you because if I do it, they'll cry. So you're going to have to tell them
Gently not, tell them not to slide down this.
They don't
little
slide on it,
canvas
they don't stand on it. It's for beanbag weight only, not child weight.
Did it not go in there tight enough on this side? Pull it out and try again. They're the same size. Oh,
Okay,
bottom first, then the top.
because you have a little bit more, because of this cutout, you have a little bit
More
more
play, so you gotta
to
put,
pull, to just barely get it over that extra little bit,
okay,
and then pop it in.
okay.
Makes
so-
it, gives you a little bit more angle to get it,
Yeah,
whereas here it's closer.
Okay,
Just it makes it a little too tight.
all right. Well, that makes sense
I
then.
probably could have muscled it in, but
Let's make it last more than a season.
so if you buy one, you might want to do that.
Or you could read the directions and it might say the bottom one first, but who knows?
You had to go there, huh?
I did.
Well,
All right, well, those look pretty good. There's not really any
Oh, game
scratches.
rules. It just has the game rules.
I'm not playing
here we
by
go.
their rules. We're making up our own.
Additions. A come with bean bags. Hey, they actually
Alright.
go through the hole.
Cool. All right, they should be able to handle this. I think this will be
So-
fun for them.
Oh, looks like this one actually might have been opened at one point. Or no, maybe not. I just tore the other bag. No, that one, that bag had been.
That was its big damage. I
That-
can live with that.
Well, if somebody taped it shut, it looked like.
I can live with it.
Um, yeah,
We're good.
what, do you remember what we paid? It was like $8?
15?
15?
I think it was 15. 14.95, something like that.
It was,
Considerably less than a
we
lot
looked
of
at a
them out
wooden
there.
one from Big Five that was like 30, so
Yeah, so
This was
I didn't like the idea of wooden.
cheaper.
So, all right.
And the one, that was a $70 Black Friday for 30, I think.
Yeah.
So,
All right.
again, thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Hope this was instructional and informative and or entertaining.
See ya.